Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ram 3500 SLT. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed liner as well. We got the nice Bighorn logo, mud flaps on the rear with some fender flares. We got aftermarket rims as well as an aftermarket running board, which is pretty nice. We have lights on our mirrors, mud flaps on the front with that nice fender flare as well. And we do get tow hooks as well, and a block heater on our front grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably with this nice gray and black cloth interior. Plenty of door space in the back. You got some cloth accents on the door. Got these storage cubbies on the back. Your 6 additional seat. You got little fans and a little storage here with cup holders underneath. Floor mats, as well as you do get under compartment storage, and you can lift up your seats for a work station that you can fold out, which is pretty nice. And you do get under storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we still have that nice cloth interior. You got powered driver's seat, plenty more door space up front with that same cloth accent. You got your parking brake and lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 136,292 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your cruise control, your gears, toggle for your screen, voice phone, and looking at our screen here, we can go through our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, trailer tow, audio, messages, screen setup, and your digital speedometer again. Over here we have cup holders, tons of more storage. You have a 12 volt down there, little coin slot, your 6 additional seat, and you do get storage underneath as well. We got your trailer brake, engine brake, tow and haul mode, a bunch of outlets down here with an aux, 4-wheel drive. You got your climate controls right here, traction and hazards. You got a storage cubby there and below, storage above with another 12 volt, and we got our infotainment system that is touchscreen compatible. Got your radio, media, so you can connect your phone here, as you can see there. And we got a compass and settings. And you can customize it however you like, and more will be in here, such as your clock, temperature side, and your rear view camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7820A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.